John, you've been sneezing and coughing persistently for the past 3 days.
Mary, I am tired. I don't know what else to take. I have taken all the cough syrups I can lay my hands on and they are not just working.
Haven't you heard of Neofylin cough syrup?
Neofylin?
Yes.
Neofylin cough syrup provides fast relief for cough, cold and catarrh, and it's good for babies, children and adults. Neofylin cough syrup, approved by NAFDAC, is a product of Mopson Pharmaceutical Limited, available in pharmacies nationwide. If symptoms persist after 3 days, please consult your doctor. Neofylin cough syrup, a quality product from Mopson Pharmaceuticals.